I pray to the divinity in you. First of all, I want to assure you that you will receive something very concrete and definite in the seminar, provided you are prepared to apply and practice, because this is my favorite subject. When I was 3 years of age, since then I have been practicing and I have been taught this subject. The word yoga is used in many connotations. Yoga, Sanskrit words, comes from its root, yuzu, and yazu, means to unite, to join. An individual soul is united with the cosmic soul. That is also called yoga. When one attains samadhi, as the second sutra explains, that is also called yoga. When prana and apana are joined, that is also called yoga. You have heard and studied in the books Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Laya Yoga, Raja Yoga. Well, this word has been two, 3 times used in the Bible as thy yoke. Then question comes, is it a religion? No. Millions in the world are trying to search and seek the truths and self-realization, or as the religionists put it, God. But orthodox religions do not satisfy their needs. So they are questioning life, both in the East and West. If you collect the data from the churches, you will come to know only old people who are haunted by the idea of death go to the temples and churches out of fear, thinking that the house of God will give them some solace. But questioning mind cannot be satisfied. You go to church, you go to temple, you go to synagogues, the questioning mind is still there. The yoga science does not offer any new religion. Then what does it do? It offers methodology, methods. It does not condemn any religion. All the great religions have come from one source, and religions often say what to do and what not to do. Set up certain rules, conventions, certain disciplines for you, which are not fully satisfying. So, yoga science does not believe in what to do and what not to do, but teaches you how to be.